Most people don't lose money because they are careless. They lose money while doing everything right. They work hard. They pay bills on time. They feel responsible. And still, money quietly slips away. Not once, every month. And most people never notice it happening. Meet the worker. He wakes up early, gets ready, commutes, works all day. He gets a paycheck. It feels good. For a moment. Then the money starts moving. Rent, utilities, insurance, subscriptions, credit card minimums. He didn't buy anything crazy. No luxury cars. No risky bets. So why does it still feel tight? Why does the account feel empty before the month ends? Why does saving feel impossible? He wonders, am I just bad with money? Do I not earn enough? Why does this feel harder every year? He feels stress, but also guilt. Because on paper, he's doing what he's supposed to do. Here's what they don't tell you: money doesn't disappear, it gets pulled quietly, automatically, systematically. The system is always awake. Bills renew on their own, interest grows silently, fees hide in small print. Nothing dramatic happens, that's the trick. It feels normal. Paying interest feels normal, rolling balances feels normal, living paycheck to paycheck feels normal. But normal is expensive. The system is designed for flow, not for you to stop and think, just to keep money moving. Now pay attention to this. The worker pays minimums. That feels responsible, but interest keeps the balance alive month after month. He uses convenience. Subscriptions auto pay. Each one feels small together. They are heavy. This is where most people get it wrong. They think losing money looks dramatic, bad decisions, big mistakes, but real money loss is quiet. It hides in habits and defaults and things you never question. And who benefits? The system does, because predictable behavior is profitable behavior. One evening, the worker pauses, not from stress, from clarity. He realizes something important. He isn't lazy, that he isn't careless. He isn't broken. He was never taught to see the system. This isn't about blame, it's about awareness. The moment you see the pattern, you regain control. Not all at once, but slowly, and slowly is enough. One evening, something changes, not his income, not his job, his awareness. The worker realizes something important. This was never about intelligence, or discipline, or effort. He wasn't careless, he was uninformed. And that changes everything, because awareness removes shame. So what actually helps? Not hacks, not shortcuts. First, track money without judging yourself, not to feel bad, just to see clearly. Second, question defaults, auto pay, subscriptions, minimum payments. Ask one question: do I still need this? Third, slow spending down, delay decisions. Even one day helps. Speed helps the system, pause helps you. Fourth, build a small buffer, not wealth, just breathing room. Pressure causes mistakes, space reduces them. Fifth, focus on consistency. Money loss is quiet. It doesn't warn you. It doesn't shout. It happens while life feels normal. But once you see it, you can stop feeding it blindly. The goal isn't to beat the system. The goal is to stop losing without knowing. If this made you think, stay with us. We talk about money the honest way.